the United States Department of Justice, DOJ, initiated legal action against the state of Illinois and the city of Chicago on Thursday, alleging obstruction of the Trump administration's immigration enforcement policies and seeking a court order to invalidate so-called sanctuary laws. The department's lawsuit, filed in Chicago federal court, cites a national emergency declared by President Trump on his inauguration day, amidst a wave of executive orders and proclamations marking the commencement of his second term. This legal challenge directly confronts Illinois and Chicago's resistance to the administration's stringent anti-immigration stance. The complaint highlights the friction between the federal government's aggressive immigration enforcement agenda and the policies of local jurisdictions. The Trump administration's approach, while ostensibly focused on apprehending violent criminals, has broadened its net to encompass individuals lacking legal status, and even those with legal authorization to reside in the U.S., thereby creating widespread fear and uncertainty within immigrant communities. The administration's actions are a direct response to Trump's campaign promise to deport millions, a pledge requiring significant cooperation from local law enforcement agencies. Chicago Mayor Brandon Johnson, in a recent interview with NPR, defiantly stated his commitment to protecting all residents, regardless of immigration status, emphasizing the city's dedication to supporting working people irrespective of the federal government's policies. His declaration underscores the deep-seated resistance within Chicago and Illinois to the Trump administration's immigration agenda. This stance reflects a broader national debate regarding the balance between federal immigration enforcement and local autonomy in managing immigrant populations. The conflict between federal mandates and local jurisdictions' commitment to inclusivity forms a central point of contention. The lawsuit's implications extend far beyond Illinois and Chicago, raising crucial questions about the limits of federal authority over state and local governments in matters of immigration enforcement. The DOJ's actions represent a significant escalation in the ongoing legal battle surrounding sanctuary city policies, highlighting the Trump administration's unwavering commitment to its hardline immigration policies. The administration's strategy involves not only direct legal challenges, but also the withholding of federal grants from jurisdictions deemed non-cooperative. Newly appointed Attorney General Pam Bondi issued a memo on Wednesday reinforcing this strategy, stating that sanctuary jurisdictions should be ineligible for federal Justice Department grants, and that the department should actively pursue legal action against jurisdictions hindering immigration. This proactive approach underscores the administration's determination to overcome local resistance and effectively implement its comprehensive immigration enforcement plan. The lawsuit against Illinois and Chicago is not an isolated incident, but rather a significant component of a broader national effort to reshape immigration enforcement nationwide. The outcome of this case will have far-reaching implications, shaping the legal landscape and influencing the relationship between federal and local authorities in managing immigration issues for years to come. Reuters contributed to this reporting. The legal battle promises to be protracted and fiercely contested, raising fundamental questions about federalism, states' rights, and the very nature of immigration enforcement in the United States. The case is expected to generate substantial legal analysis and public discourse, further fueling the ongoing national debate surrounding immigration reform and the balance of power between different levels of government. The full implications of this significant legal challenge remain to be seen.